In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate Axiom Pro Twitter tracker. So the first thing you want to do and the first thing you'll need is an Axiom Pro account, and there's actually a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever, so make sure you check that out. Now, once you have your Axiom Pro account, to actually activate the Twitter tracker, it's actually very simple. So first, you want to go to Trackers up top, which is the third tab. And then in here on the right, you have two options. The first one is Customize Feed, and the second one is Twitter Alerts. Now, Twitter Alerts will of course activate as soon as you add some Twitter handles into your list, and then the Customize Feed part is the one you want to look at the beginning. So in here, you can see two things. You can see your list, which is basically your list of different handles you have added in here, your Twitter handles or X handles, and then on here, you have top subscriptions. Basically, these are the most subscribed to handles over here inside Axiom, and you can add these with ease. So, for example, you can see the amount of subscribers over here, and then the amount of boosts as well over here on the right. So boosts are basically people boosting those handles over here, and then when they boosted, they of course can go up in rankings. So the way to actually get a boost yourself is whenever you trade one Solana, you will basically get one boost. So that's how you get it, in case you were wondering. Now, over here, you can just add these top subscriptions quite easily by just clicking add to your list, just like this. And then, for example, I added the first 5, and then I go to my list, and there we go. I'm now tracking these people inside my Twitter tracker. You can also see over here, you can basically have tweets, retweets, quotes, and replies. You can hide them if you want to. You can see profile updates or hide them, and then you can hide and see follows, as well as, of course, delete or remove from list in case you don't want to follow a specific handle anymore. If you want to boost one, you can just click on this boost button and then basically select how many boosts you would like to add, and then you can boost them in case you like tracking that handle. So that's the first part, but of course you can add your own handles as well, and you can do this via the add handle button, top right. You click add handle and you type in the handle, so for example Elon Musk or whatever you want to do, click on add, and there we go. I now have it in here as well. So that's how you basically add people to your list. And then you have the import and the export button. So if you'd like to export this, as you can see, your Twitter settings will get copied to your clipboard. And if you can import, you click import over here, and then you can just paste it in case you've copied it from someone else, like in Discord or something, and this will look like that. And after you do that, you can then just import this list. As you can see, now it has been imported. Of course, it's exactly the same because it was mine. I just copied it and pasted, but still, this is how it works. In case you want to copy it from someone else, maybe a friend or someone you know, of course they can just send you that and you can put that in. Now, from here, you can then follow Twitter alerts, which are basically going to be alerts from those people. Now, immediately after you click on Twitter alerts, this may not work. It needs to refresh. So just click on a random tab, go back to trackers, and there we go. Now you can see there are the Twitter alerts in here. So what you can actually do is then see what's going on Twitter directly, but you don't always have to press trackers because you can be on any page over here, click Twitter tracker down below, and then over here, it's gonna get pinned to your screen. You can basically place it wherever. I think you can do it like on the left, like this, there we go, and then on the right as well. So let me just do this, there we go. It wouldn't pop in for some, there we go, it did now. So you can just have it over here. Just slide around, scroll around, surf across Axiom, and then look for different meme coins. And meanwhile, you will always be updated when something new drops over here on Twitter on your left-hand side without having to switch trackers and then back to polls. And this is very, very convenient. So that's how we activate Axiom. It's completely free, and of course the Axiom Twitter tracker as well. So as I said, there's a link down below. Make sure you check that out to get a 10% discount on all trading fees. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.